Hello, everyone. Welcome to Speak Bold English. My name is Bill, and I'm here to help you speak English with confidence. Improve your English naturally and make English a part of your daily life. If you're ready to stop just watching English and start speaking English, then today's lesson is for you. Today, I'm going to ask you simple English questions. Your job is to answer them. Don't worry about making mistakes. Don't try to be perfect. Just speak, because every answer makes you a better English speaker. Let's begin. Let me ask you something. If someone asked you, "What's your favorite food?" could you answer immediately? What about, "What did you do yesterday?" Or, "What's your biggest dream?" Many English learners know the words, but they need too much time to answer. Today, we're going to change that. I'm going to ask you real-life questions. You'll answer after every pause. By the end of this lesson, you'll speak more English than you did yesterday. Stay until the end, because the final questions are the ones that help you think and speak more naturally. Before we begin, if you want to improve your English speaking, one conversation at a time, subscribe to Speak Bold English. Every lesson on this channel is designed to help you become a confident English speaker. Now, let's start. Take a deep breath. Relax. There's no pressure. There are no perfect answers. There are only your answers. Question number 1. What's your name? Great. Question number 2. Where are you from? Excellent. Question number 3. How old are you? Very good. Question number 4. What do you do? Nice. Question number 5. Why are you learning English? Excellent answer. Question number 6. What's your favorite hobby? Question number 7. What do you usually do in the morning? Question number 8. What's your favorite movie? Question number 9. Do you like coffee or tea? Why? Question number 10. What's one goal you want to achieve this year? Amazing. Did you answer all 10 questions? If yes, you're already building real speaking confidence. Excellent. You're doing a fantastic job. Remember, don't answer with just one word. Try to speak in complete sentences. Even simple sentences can make a big difference. Now, let's continue. Question number 11. What did you eat for breakfast today? Good. Now try adding one more sentence. Why did you choose that food? Excellent. Question number 12. What's your favorite season? Why? Very nice. The more details you add, the more confident you become. Question number 13. What do you usually do on weekends? Great answer. Keep speaking. Don't stop after one sentence. Question number 14. If you could visit any country, which country would you choose? Why? Excellent. There are no wrong answers, only opportunities to practice. Question number 15. Who inspires you the most? Why? Very good. Notice something? You're not memorizing English. You're using English. That's the real goal. Let's make it a little more interesting. Imagine you're meeting a new friend. I'll ask. You answer. Ready? What's your favorite book? Why do you like it? What kind of music do you enjoy? When do you usually listen to music? Excellent. You're having a real conversation. Now, let's increase the challenge. Don't answer with only one sentence. Try to answer with 2 or 3 simple sentences. For example, if someone asks, "What's your favorite hobby?" don't just say, "Reading." Instead say, "My favorite hobby is reading. I usually read in the evening. Reading helps me relax." Can you do that? Let's try. Question number 16. What's your favorite hobby? Answer with at least 2 sentences. Excellent. Question number 17. What's your favorite place in your city? Why do you like it? Very good. Question number 18. How do you usually spend your evenings? Nice. Question number 19. What's something new you learned this week? Excellent. Question number 20. If you could learn one new skill, what would it be? Why? Fantastic. You're improving with every answer. Before we move to the final part, here's one important tip. Don't try to sound like a native speaker. Try to become a clear, confident speaker. Clear communication is always more important than a perfect accent. Stay with me, because in the final part, you'll face the 30-second speaking challenge. No stopping, no translating. Just answer naturally. If you complete that challenge, you'll prove to yourself that you really can speak English. Excellent. You've done an amazing job. So far, you've answered many questions. Now, it's time for the final challenge. This is your chance to speak without stopping. Don't worry about perfect English. Just keep talking. Ready? Let's begin. I'm going to ask you 5 questions. Answer immediately after each pause. Keep speaking. Don't stop. Question number 1. What's your biggest dream? Question number 2. What makes you happy? Question number 3. If you could travel anywhere, where would you go? Why? Question number 4. What's one skill you want to improve this year? Question number 5. Why is learning English important to you? Excellent! Take a moment and think about what just happened. A few minutes ago, you were only listening. Now, you're answering real questions in English. That's real progress. Now let's make it even better. This time, answer every question with at least 3 simple sentences. Don't worry, if you speak slowly, slow English is better than silent English. Every sentence you speak builds confidence. Every answer you give improves your fluency. Here's something I want you to remember forever. Fluent speakers are not people who never make mistakes. They are people who never stop speaking. So don't wait for perfect English. Use the English you already know, and every single day, you'll become stronger. Before you sleep tonight, answer these 3 questions out loud. What did I learn today? What made me smile today? What will I do tomorrow? That's only 1 minute of speaking, but if you do it every day, your confidence will grow faster than you imagine. If you completed today's speaking challenge, I'm proud of you. You didn't just watch this lesson, you practiced, and that's what makes the difference. If this lesson helped you, please like this video, share it with a friend who's learning English, and subscribe to Speak Bold English. Every week, we'll practice together. We'll answer real questions, we'll build real confidence, and we'll become better English speakers, one conversation at a time. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Keep practicing. Keep speaking. And remember, your voice becomes stronger every time you use it. I'll see you in the next lesson. In our next lesson, you'll learn 50 powerful English phrases that native speakers use every day. Not textbook English, not difficult English, just natural, real-life English that you can start using immediately. Trust me, this lesson will completely change the way you speak English. See you in the next lesson.